It's the end of May here on Harvest Moon Farms, and we're gonna show you what we could do with some grass clippings. I mean, if you have, you might as well use them. Cows love them. Red Angus, Black Baldy, and a bunch of certified Black Angus. And we got a little Highland guy in a different spot. But they absolutely love the grass clippings. You don't get, obviously we just give it to them once in a while. But they literally wait for everything to come down. And they love it. We've been giving it to them today. And it helps supplement your feeding as well. Thanks for watching.